In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end your Spotify Premium subscription. We will walk through the exact path on the website so you can switch back to the free plan quickly and without confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Spotify.com. Searching for Spotify.com in your address bar or a search engine will bring you right there. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Give that a click. And from the small menu that appears, choose Account. This takes you to your account overview, which is the control center for your subscription and settings. On the account page, find the section labeled Your Plan. Depending on the current layout, you might also see a link that says Manage Your Subscription. Either way, you are in the right spot when you can see details about your current premium membership. Next, select Change Plan or Cancel Premium. Both options lead you toward the same goal. If you choose Change Plan, you'll be shown a list of available plans. Scroll down until you see Spotify Free. Under that section, click Cancel Premium. This is the action that actually moves your account off the paid tier and back onto the free version. From here, continue through the on-screen prompts. Spotify may ask you to confirm a couple of times or share why you are leaving. Keep going until you reach a clear confirmation message. That message indicates the cancellation is set. As a quick note, most accounts keep premium features until the end of the current billing cycle. So you may still see premium active for a short time before it switches to free. Once the switch takes effect, the Your Plan section on the account page will show Spotify Free. It can take a short while for this label to update, especially right after you cancel. So a little patience is normal. Your playlists and saved songs stay exactly where they are. What changes are premium perks like ad-free listening and offline downloads, which end when your current cycle runs out. If anything on the screen looks different from what I described, don't worry, Spotify occasionally updates the wording. The key checkpoints are Your Plan or Manage Your Subscription. Then Change Plan or Cancel Premium. And finally, the Spotify Free section where you select Cancel Premium. Also, if you use more than one Spotify login, make sure you are on the account that actually has premium before you cancel. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.